It's 2 a.m. Scrolling through endless feeds, I see a pattern: short, powerful videos with epic music and a quote that hits you in the chest. They get millions of views. I think I can make this. But I have zero budget. I refuse to believe I need expensive software. I start digging. After days of research, I compile a secret arsenal: CapCut for editing, Canva for graphics, Leonardo.ai for images, 11 Labs for AI voiceovers, free tier, and Pixabay for music. I don't invent quotes, I find the timeless ones. I scour books, speeches, and philosophy. Today's winner. The obstacle is the way. It's simple, profound, and visual. I open Leonardo.ai. I don't just type "moon climbing mountain." I craft cinematic photo: a lone climber at dawn, facing a colossal, mist-shrouded mountain, backlit sun, style of National Geographic, epic scale, determined expression. The first image is good. I generate 20 more, tweaking the prompt: add rays of light, more weathered face. I pick the one that gives me chills. I copy my script into 11 Labs. I choose a calm, resonant, masculine voice. The Atom clone works well. I adjust the stability and clarity sliders for a more dramatic, pause delivery. I render it. New project. 9:16 aspect ratio. This is my factory floor. I import my 3 core assets: the image, the voiceover, the music. I drop the AI image onto the timeline. It's static. Boring. I immediately zoom in 110% and add a slow, Ken Burns zoom out effect. Instant dynamism. I place the voiceover track. This audio is now the boss. Every visual cut will happen on its rhythm, beating the algorithm's short attention span. The first 3 seconds are everything. I use a text animation. The word obstacle slams onto a black screen before the image appears. Hook, set, line. As the voice says is the way, I animate the text. IS fades in between obstacle and way, which scales up dramatically. Every word appears in sync with the speech. I watch the music waveform. The big drum hit is at 0:48. I make sure the climber in the image takes a decisive step exactly on that beat. This subconscious sync is viral fuel. One image for 60 seconds. No. I use CapCut's overlay function. I take a second, similar AI image, place it on top, and create a linear mask to transition from one climber pose to another. It looks like 2 seamless shots. I apply a subtle filter: dark teal and orange. I increase contrast, deepen shadows, and make the sunrise glow warmer. It now looks like a $1 million movie still. I enable automatic captions but stylize them. I change the font to something bold and clean, like Bebas Nui, and make them appear word by word, perfectly timed to the AI voice. The last frame isn't blank. A simple, elegant text fades in: you are capable of more than you know. No loud calls to action. The vibe is the call to action. I render at 1080p, 60 frames per second. Smoothness is key. The file is under 50 megabytes, perfect for quick platform processing. It's not inspirational video. The caption is a question: what's the mountain you're avoiding right now? I use 3 hashtags: hashtag stoicism, hashtag mindset, hashtag motivation. I post at 8 p.m. when the scroll of reflection begins. I don't obsess over views. I close the tab. The process is the product. I already have my next quote: courage is fear that said its prayers. I open Leonardo.ai again. The cycle continues. The real secret: it's not the tools. It's the understanding of a feeling, that 3-second moment of resonance for someone scrolling in need of a spark. You're not just making a video. You're packaging a glimpse of a better self. And that will always be viral.